Alright folks, we're at the Staybridge Suites here in Rosemont, Chicago, just a few minutes from the airport. I'm going to show you around. So once you enter the unit, there is a fridge, a little kitchenette here with a dishwasher, stove top. You got some plates, some cups, full-size microwave, a toaster, and a coffee maker. It is very well equipped, I would say, for your stay here. I'm only here for a night, so it's more than enough. Into the washroom, everything is very clean. We actually have some Dove Essentials for your soap, body wash, and conditioner. We have loads of towels here as well, and a beautiful countertop with the sink. I'm not sure if they have a Dove partnership because everything seems to be Dove here, so they probably do. Got a beautiful mirror lit up on the edges, nice and bright, nice and clean. Next, when you walk in, you'll have a huge flat screen TV. This is actually a pretty big TV, a lot bigger than a lot of TVs you see in these hotels. You got a workstation here if you need to do some work. There's loads of storage to store your clothes. Another full-size mirror here. In the closet, got an ironing board, little basket at the bottom for your clothing. This unit works pretty well too. It was cold last night when I got in, so this unit actually heated up the place very nice and quick. Okay, now over here is one of the highlights. The bed is super comfortable, super comfortable. I slept very well and I wanted to keep on sleeping, but you know, we're in Chicago, we gotta keep it moving. All right, we got some lights by your bed and some nice little tables to store your stuff as well. We got one chair here if you want to read, and we got a lamp over here as well. Tons of space to keep your stuff out of the way. I would definitely recommend this place to anyone that needs to stay near Chicago Airport, as it is awesome. So make sure to watch the next video as I will take a tour around the rest of the amenities so you can see what it looks like. Okay? Subscribe, share, and I'll see you there.